minimization technique. Okay. For example, in your Boolean expression, if you are if you are goes with Boolean laws and Boolean theorems, means your Boolean expressions will be the outcome of the number of variables and terms are very large. So we are used to reduce the number of terms or number of variables. We have goes with this K-map. Okay, so this K-map is first proposed by Weitek and slightly improvised by Karnaugh. So the K-map is improvised by Karnaugh. So this is called as the Karnaugh map. Okay, this is the straightforward procedure for the simplification of Boolean function. That means you can use to reduce the number of terms variables in a Boolean function. Okay, so this method is otherwise called as Weitek diagram or Karnaugh map. Okay, next it is a pictorial representation of truth table. Before we goes with the K-map simplification, first we have to draw the truth table. Okay, if truth table not present means you have to simplify the expressions. Okay, so next, in K-map diagram made up of squares with each square representing a min term of the function that to be minimized. Min term means what? The value is 1. Max term means value is 0. Here we have to minimize the min terms of the function. So we have to minimize the value 1. Okay, so n variable K-map means there will be a 2 power n square. If you are using 2 variable K-map means there will be 4 square. 2 power 2, there will be 4 square. Okay, so this is the types of K-map. 1 variable K-map, 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. In this 1 variable K-map, you are already knows. 1 variable means only one input is there, right? So we are using only one input, A as the input. So we are using in this K-map, you have to use the how many variables you are using. That variable with its complement you have to use in this K-map. Okay, with whatever variable you are using, that variable with its complement must be included in this K-map. Okay, so if you are using A means you have to include A bar, that means complement and the variable A bar and A. Okay, 2 variable means you are having 2 variables. So your input will be 2, A and B as the input. So B complement and B, A complement and A, because you are using the variable with its complement. Okay, so variable with its complement. So A and A complement. Here the input is B, so B complement and B. So what is the value of this? This variable and this variable comes under this box. Okay, so A bar and B bar. Here means A bar and B. Here means A and B bar. Here A and B. Okay, next one is 3 variable. 3 variable means we are using 3 input symbols, 3 input variables. Okay, so we are using here 1 input is here and 2 inputs are there. Okay, if you are using 2 input means how many possibles? If you are using 2 input, there will be 4 possible, right? So if you are using 2 inputs means how many possible? 4 possible. What are the possible? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so your possibles are 0 0 0 0 means B bar. What are the inputs? B bar and C bar. Okay, so it's complement B bar and C bar. What is the next one? 0 1 0 1 means 0 means complement, right? So B bar and 1 means C. Okay, next one. Next, third, we have to just interchange the values. This will comes third place, this will comes fourth place. Okay, so your third place is 1 1. So what is the variable? B and C. Okay, in your fourth place 1 0. So B and 0 means C bar. Okay, here only one variable is there, so A bar and A. In this first box, what are the variables are there? This variable and this variable. So A bar into B bar into C bar. Okay. Here means A bar into B bar into C. Here means A bar into B into C. Okay. Here means A bar into B into C bar. Okay. Here means A into B bar into C bar. Here means A into B bar into C. Here A into B into C. Here A into B into C bar. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next one is 4 variable K map. Okay. So 4 variable K map means we are using 4 inputs. Okay. 4 input variables. So 2 inputs are here, 2 inputs are there. Okay. So you have to use the inputs with its complement. Okay. How many possible? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. If the value is 0 means you have to consider the complement of the variable. Okay. So 0, 0 means both the values are 0. So you have to consider the both the complement input variables. Okay. So A bar and B bar. 0, 1 means 0 is the complement, 1 is the normal variable. So 0 means A complement, 1 is the normal variable B. Okay. Third one is 1, 1. So you have to consider the variables A and B. Fourth one is 1, 0. So A is 1. So normal variable B is 0. Complement of the variable. Okay. So 0. Okay. Next here also 0, 0. So C bar D bar 0, 1 C bar D 1, 1 C D 1, 0 C D bar. Okay. Here what are the values? Here first box this one and this one. So A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. Here A bar, B bar, C bar and D. Here A bar, B bar, C and D. Okay. Here A bar, B bar, C and D bar. Okay. Here A bar, B, C and D bar. C bar, D bar. Okay. By following this, you have to fill the boxes. Have you all understand? Okay. Next one is next how to write the values in the K map. Okay. How to write the values in the K map. Okay. First one. If you are giving only one variable means there will be only one input. So the input may be 0 or 1. Okay. The input may be 0 or 1. Okay. If your input is 0 means the value is M0. Input is 1 means the position is M1. Okay. If you are having 2 inputs means there will be 2 possible values, right? One input is there, one input is here. Okay. So A means 0, 1, B means 0, 1. So 0, 0. How to write this position? If your value is 0, 0 means what is the value for this one? 0, 0, right? So, if your value is 0, 0 means what is the decimal value of 0, 0? 0. Okay. So, you give the position as M0. If the value is 0, 1. Okay. 0, 1. What is the decimal value for 0, 1? What is the decimal value for 0, 1? 1. Okay. So, the position is M1. Here we are using min terms, right? So we are using small m. Okay. Then here position is 1, 0. 1, 0 means what is the position? What is the value? 2. Okay. So so this value is M2. Then here 1, 1. What is the value for 1, 1? 3. Okay. So here value is M3. Have you all understand? Okay, next one is 3 variable K map. In 3 variable K map, here we are using 1 variable, here using 2 variables. Okay, here 0 and 1, here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. First one, 0 and 0, 0. What is the value for 0, 0, 0? What is the value for 0, 0, 0? That is 0. Okay, so it is M0. Then, what is the value for 0, 0, 1? What is the value? 0, 0, 1 means 1. Okay. So this is M1. Then 0, 1, 1. What is the value for 0, 0, 1, 1? What is the value? 0, 1, 1. 3, right? So we put as 3. Then what is the value for 0, 1, 0? What is the value for 0, 1, 0? The value is 2. Okay. So here 2. Okay. Then what is the value for 1, 0, 0? What is the value for 1, 0, 0? Value is 4. Okay. So here M4. What is the value for 1, 0, 1? What is the value? 1, 0, 1. Value is 5. Right. So here M5. Then what is the value for 1, 1, 1? What is the value? 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. What is the value? 7. Okay. So here M7. Then 1, 1, 0. 6. Okay. So here M6. So normally you have to remember that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Just you have to remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the position values. Okay. Then if you are using 4 variable came up, here also 2 variable, here also 2 variable. Okay. First value is 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the value? 0. Okay. This also by using the decimal value positions, you have to fill the table. Okay. First, this is 0, 1. So here you have to remember that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then you have to come the fourth row. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 4 variable came up. Have you all understand? Have you all understand the how to draw the K-map, the basic structure? Okay. Next. Next one is grouping. How to group the K-map? Okay. How to group the K-map? First one is grouping two adjacents. Two adjacent. Here we are using min terms, right? So you have to group the ones. Okay. If the K-map having any ones, you have to group the ones. Okay. Group the ones in even order. You have to group by 2 ones are one group, or 4 ones are one group, or 8 ones are one group. Okay. So this is 2 ones group. This is called as the pair. Okay. If you are going to group 2 adjacent ones, means this is pair. How to group? This is one method. Okay. So what is the variables? Here what is the variable? Here what is the position for this value? A bar B, C bar D. Right. So what is the position? A bar B. Next one is C bar D. Okay. Next, what is the position for this one? A bar B, C, D. Right? A bar B, C, D. Okay. A bar B, C, D. Okay. Listen. If you are having any variable with its complement, means you have to omit the variable. Okay. If you are having any variable with its complements, means you have to omit the variable. Okay. If you are having any repeated variable, means you have to take the variable at one time. Okay. So if you are having any variable with its complement, means you have to omit the variable. If you are having any repeated variable, means you have to take the variable at one time. Okay. So first listen. A bar. Any other A bar is there? Yes. So you have to take A bar as one time. Okay. Next B. Is any B is there? Yes. So you have to take B as one time. Okay. Next C. Here you are having C bar and here C. Okay. So the C is the variable with its complement. So you have to omit the variable. So C and C bar is cancelled. Okay. Then what is the next variable? D and D. Okay. So you are having 2 times. So you have to consider as one time. So your value is A bar B D. This is A bar B D. Okay. Now, if you are grouping this type means, first, what is the value for this box? A bar B C D. Okay. A bar B C D. Okay. Next one means A B C D. Okay. A B C D. Okay. Here, consider if A bar is any A bar is there? No, but A is there. Okay. So the variable A is having with its complement. So you have to omit the variable A. So A is eliminated. Okay. Next B. Is any B is there? Yes. 2 times B will come. So you consider B as 1 time. B. Okay. Then C. Any C is there? Yes. It will come 2 times. So consider at 1 time. Then D. It will come 2 times. So consider at 1 time. So what is the value? B, C, D. Okay. In grouping, remember that you are grouping 2 adjacent ones like this. Otherwise, you can group the, if you are fold this K map. Okay. Fold this K map means this part and this part is your adjacent, right? And this part and this part is your adjacent, right? This and this is your adjacent, and this left side and right side is your adjacent. Up side and down side is your adjacent, right? So you have to group the left side and right side border, or upside or downside border. Otherwise, you have to group all the diagonals. Diagonals also you have to group. Okay. So now you will understand. This also means what is the variable? A bar B C bar D bar. Here A bar B C D bar. So after cancel the repeated terms and the complements, what is the answer? A bar B D bar. Okay. So if you are grouping this, like this means B bar C bar D. If you, next, if you are grouping this time means, consider here. Listen. Here you are having 3 ones, right? But your K map, you have to group all the ones. Okay. You have to group all the ones. So you have to group first 2 as one group and group second 2 ones as one group. Okay. Then next, this is one group. This also one group. I will understand. Okay. Next one is quad group. Okay. Quad group means you have to group 4 adjacent ones. In last slide, we see the 2 adjacent ones group. Okay. This is called pair group. Okay. Then quad group means you have to group 4 adjacent ones. This is called as quad group. Okay. If you are having like this means you have to write the expression, right? So what is the variables here? First one. What are the variables? A bar B, C bar D bar. So your answer is A bar B, C bar D bar. Okay. Okay. Next. What is the second one having variables? A bar B, C bar D. A bar B, C bar D. Okay. Next. What is the third variable? A bar B, C D. A bar B, C D. Next. Fourth one. A bar B, C D bar. A bar B, C D bar. Okay. Now, listen. Is any A bar is there? Here A bar, here A bar, here A bar, here A bar. So A bar is repeated 4 times. Okay. So you have to consider A bar as 1 time. A bar. Okay. Next B. Any B is there? Yes. B. Here also B, B, B. So B also having 4 times. So you have to consider 1 time. Okay. Then C bar. How many C bars are there? C bar, C bar, C, C. So you have to cancel the C with its complement by 2 pair. Okay. So this C bar and this C is cancelled. This C bar and this C is cancelled. So C is totally cancelled. Okay. Next, D bar. Here D bar, here D. Here D, here D bar. So D bar and D also cancel. So your expression is A bar B. Okay. Okay. Like this, you have to write the expression for this also. Next, we see this grouping. Okay. What are the variables? First value. What are the values? A, B, here C bar, D bar. So what are the values? A, B, C bar, D bar. Okay. Next one. What are the values? A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay. Next. Here means A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. Okay. Next. Here means A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. Okay. Now consider A. First take the A value. Is any A is there? Here A. 4 A's are there. So you have to consider only one A. Next B. Here one B. This is B bar. So B and B bar is cancelled. Right? Here B. Here B bar. So B and B bar is cancelled. Okay. Then C. Here this is C bar. This is C bar. This is C. This is C. So 2 C bar and 2 C's are there. So you have to cancel both the C and C bars. Then D bar, D bar, D bar, D bar. 4 D bars are there. So you have to consider only 1 D bar. So your answer is A D bar. Okay. Like this, you have to group the ones and write the expressions. Okay. Next. Next, we have goes with grouping of 8 adjacent ones. Okay, grouping of 8 adjacent ones. This is called as octet. Okay, grouping of 8 adjacent ones. This is called as octet. What are the possible grouping? This left row, left column, right column taken as one group. Right. Then this is one group. This is one group. This is one group. How to group? This also one group. Okay. Now we are goes with this grouping. Okay. This grouping. First one. What is the value for first grouping? Taken as this one. Okay. First grouping. What is the value? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Next. What is the value for this box? A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Okay. Next one is A bar, B, C bar, D bar. A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Okay. Next. A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C bar, D. Okay. Next one. A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. Okay. Next one. A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. Okay. Next one. A bar, A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay. Next one. A, B bar, C bar, D. A, B bar, C bar, D. Okay. Now you have to cancel the complements and take if you are having any repeated terms means you have to take the only one term. Okay. Now there is a bar. Is any A bar is there? Here A bar, A bar, A bar. Here this is A. Okay. So you have to cancel first A bar with this A. Okay. Second A bar with this A. Third this A. Fourth A bar with this A. So A is totally cancelled. Okay. Next B. Here B bar. Here also B bar. Here B. So you have to cancel first B bar with this B. Okay. Next B bar with this B. Okay. Next is B, B, B bar, B bar. So B also cancelled. Okay. Next, what about C? Here C bar, 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 C bar. So your answer will be C bar. Totally 8 possible C bars. So from this 8 possible C bars, you have to take only one C bar. Okay. Next, D. What about D? D bar, D, D bar cancelled, D bar, D bar cancelled, D bar, D bar cancelled, D bar, D bar cancelled. So your expression is only C bar. Okay, I will understand. Okay, like this you have to write the expressions. Okay, then next week goes with problems. Okay, this is the basic concepts. How to draw, how to map the, how to assign the values in the K-map, then how to group the K-map, how to write the expressions. Okay, next we see the problems. Okay, first one, f of x comma y comma z equal to summation m of 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, first, how many inputs are there? 3 inputs. Okay, so we are going to use 3 variable K-map. 3 variable K-map means your left side having only one variable, upside having 2 variables, right? So here you are having one variable, x as one variable. Here you are having 2 variable. So what are the possible values? Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z. We already seen, right? Y Z bar. Here x bar and x. Okay, Y bar Z bar means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0 and 1. Now write the values. Here this also we already seen. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here what are the values they are given? That position values you have to change this value 1. Okay, 3 means you have to change the M3 position as 1. So your M3 position, what is the M3 position? This box, right? So this 3 position is you changed as 1. Then 4 means your 4th position having the value 1. Okay, next 6 means your 6th position has the value 1. 7 means your 7th position having the value 1. All other position having the value 0. Okay, so first, this is your K-map, K-map diagrammatic representation. Okay, then we are going to simplify the items. Okay, first you have to check whether any octant group is there. Okay, any octant group, that means any 8 pair group is there. First you got to check any 8 pair group is there. Is any 8 pair? No. Then you have to check whether any quad group is there. Quad means 4 adjacent ones. Any 4 adjacent ones are there? No. Otherwise, first you got to check the octant, 8 adjacent ones. If it is not means you have to check the 4 adjacent ones. If it is not means only you have to come with pair group. Okay, 2 adjacent ones. Okay, so what are the grouping? This is one group and this is one group. Okay, so what are the variables? What are the variables in this group? What are the variables? X bar, Y, Z. X bar, Y, Z. What is the next value? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So you have value X bar, Y, Z, and the second value is X, Y, Z. Okay. So in this, what first you got to consider this X bar. Any X bar is there? No X bar, only X is there. Okay. So X bar and X, that is cancelled. And Y and Z is repeated. Okay. So you got to take Y, Z. Okay. Next, what is the group? This one and this one. So what are the values? X, Y bar, Z bar. X, Y bar, Z bar. Sorry. X, Y bar, Z bar. What is the next one? X, Y, Z bar. X, Y, Z bar. Okay. Then how many X are there? two x's x are there. So you have to take only one x. Okay. Then y bar and y is there. So you have to cancel the y and y bar. Z bar, two z bar is there. So you have to take only one z bar. So your answer is two grouping, right? This is one group, this is one group. So your answer will be the simplification of this group plus the simplification of this group. Okay. So the expression, this grouping expression plus this grouping expression. So your answer will be YZ plus XZ bar. Okay. YZ plus XZ bar. Have you all understand? It's very simple. Okay. Next one. Next one is M of 0, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Zero, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Here. First you have to write the values, write once in this positions, right? So first 0th position you have to put as 1. Okay. So in 0th 0. Okay. So 0th position you have to put as 1. Then next to second position. What is the second position? Here. Okay. Here you have to put the value as 1. Then 4. 4th position you have to put the value as 1. Then 5. 5th position you have to put the value 1. 6. 6th position you have to put the value 1. Okay. This and this you already know. X bar x, here y bar z bar, y bar z, y z bar, y z, y z bar. Okay. Now simplification. How many possible ones are there? This is one possible, this is one possible, and this is quadrant. First you got to check any octant is there? No. Any quad is there? Yes. The right side corner and right side of the column and left side of the column you have to consider as the one quad group. Okay. Then this is one pair. Okay. So first you have to consider this quad group. Okay. So what are the values? X bar, y bar, z. Okay. So your value is X bar, Y bar, Z. Okay. Next, what is the next value? X, Y bar, Z. X, Y bar, Z. Okay. Sorry, Y bar, Z bar. Here also Z bar. Next, what is the next value? X bar, Y, Z bar. X bar, Y, Z bar. Okay. What is the next value? X, Y, Z bar. Okay. So X, Y, Z bar. Now simplify the terms. Is any X bar is there? Here X bar, here X. So you have to cancel this X and X bar. Here X bar, here X. So you have to cancel X and X bar. So total X is cancelled. Then next consider Y bar. Here Y bar, here Y bar, Y, Y. 2 Y bars and 2 Y's are there. So you got to cancel all the Y's. Next Z bar. Here Z bar, Z bar, Z bar, Z bar. So your answer is Z bar. There will be 4 Z bars. So you have to consider only one Z bar. Okay. Next. What is this pairing? What about this pairing? X, Y bar, Z bar. X, Y bar, Z bar. Then what is the next box? X, Y bar, Z. X, Y bar, Z. Okay. So first, how many X are there? 2 X are there. Okay. So you got to consider only 1 X. Then Y bar, 2 Y bars are there. So you got to consider only 1 Y bar. Okay. Then Z bar and Z. Z having its complement. So you got to cancel the Z. So your answer is X, Y bar. At last you have to add these two. Okay. So your answer is Z bar plus X, Y bar. Okay. Z bar plus X, Y or Y bar. Here Y bar, here Y bar. Y bar, right? This is some Y bar. Okay. Next, what is here directly they give the position values, right? Next, your next problem is they are giving the Boolean expression. By using this Boolean expression, you have to find the position values. Okay. First, you have to find the missing terms of missing variables for each and every term. Okay. So here, which variable is missing? C is missing. Here, C is missing. Here, all variables are present. Here, A is missing. Okay. So you have to write the missing variable with its complement. Okay. So here, A bar C into what is the which variable is missing? B is missing. So B plus B bar. Okay. Write the variable with its complement. B plus B bar. Here, C is missing. So A bar B into C plus C bar. Here A B bar C. Here B C into A plus A bar. Okay. Now you have to multiply B and B bar. So A bar C into B plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B into C plus A bar B C bar. Here A bar B bar C. A B bar C. Here B C A. So A B C A bar B C. Okay. Then next step, you have to eliminate the repeated terms. Okay. You have to not eliminate it. You have to write the repeated terms at one time. Okay. If you are having more than if you are having one term at more than one times means you have to take the repeated term as only one time. Okay. Here A bar B C. Here also A bar B C. So you got to write A bar, here also A bar B C. So you have to write A bar B C as one time. A bar B C plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A bar A B bar C plus A B C. Okay. Now you are going to find the values for this variable. What is the first variable? Now write the values. Okay. What is the first variable? A bar. Bar means you have to consider as 0. B 1, C 1. Okay. Next, what is the second variable? A bar 0, B bar 0, C 1. Okay. Next, what is the third variable? A bar means 0, B means 1, C bar means 0. Okay. What is the fourth variable? A means 1, B bar means 0, C means 1. Okay. Next, what is the fourth variable? All the terms are variable only. So 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now you have to consider the, now you have to take the decimal value for this binary number. What is the value for 1, 0, 1, 1? M3. Okay. 1 means M1. This is M2, M5, M7. So your answer is summation M of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. By using this position, you have to simplify the expression by using K-map. Okay. First, you have to draw the K-map. How many? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7 you have to put as 1. Other position you have to put as 0. Okay. How many possible? This quad is there, right? 4 adjacent ones are there. So first you are grouping the quad pair. Okay. This is one group. Then this is one group. Okay. So you have to finish. You have to simplify the expression by using this quad group and this pair group. So your answer is C plus A bar B. I will understand this easy only. Okay. Next, this is a 4 variable K-map, right? See, first you will check whether all the terms having all the variables. Okay. First term is 4 variables are there. Yes. So no problem. Here 4 variables are there. Here 4 variables are there. 4 variables, 4 variables, 4 variables. So all the terms having all the 4 variables. So you have to first find the binary form, then find the decimal form, Then draw the K mark. Okay. So what is the value? 4, 5, 12, 13 and 9, 2. So 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait, this one. No, this one. What is the problem? This one. 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, 9. 2, 4, 5, 9, 12, 13. Okay, so your grouping. First, this is a quad group, right? So, what are the values? A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Where is that? A bar, B, A bar, B. What is the next value? Next variable, C bar, D bar. C bar, D bar. Okay, next, in this box, A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C bar, D. In this box, A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. Okay. Next one. A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. Okay. Now, check the values. A bar. Any other A bar is there? A bar, here A, here. 2 A bars and 2 A's are there. So, you have to cancel all the A bars and A. Then B. Here B, 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 B. So, B is repeated 4 times. So, you have to consider as 1 time. Okay. Next, C. C bar, C bar, C bar, C bar. C bar is having 4 times. You have to consider as 1 time. Okay. Next, D bar. How many D bar? D bar, D. This is cancelled. D bar, D. This is cancelled. So, your answer is B, C bar. Okay. Next, this is a group. Okay. What is the group? A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. Next one is A, B bar, C bar, D. A, B bar, C bar, D. Okay. Now, A. 2 A's are there. So, you have to consider only 1 A. Okay. Next, B bar cancel. C bar, 2 C bar. So, you have to consider only 1 C bar. Then, D, 2 D's are there. So, you have to consider only 1 D. Okay. Next, what is the next grouping? One is here. See, this is a quad group. This is the pair group. Okay. Next only one is there. Okay. Check any grouping is possible. Is any grouping is possible? Any adjacent ones are there? No. Okay. So you have to consider this one as a separate group. Okay. So what is the answer? Just write the values for this variables for this value. Okay. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Okay. So your answer is A bar, B bar, C, D bar, A, C bar, D plus B, C bar. Okay. I will understand. Okay. Next one. Next also. Okay. Next also. This is a 4 variable K map. Okay. Directly they give the position. So first write the ones and group it. This is a octant group. Right. Then 2 quad groups are there. 1 octant group. Okay. Then you have to simplify the steps. Have you understand? Okay. Next one is don't care condition. What is mean by don't care? Okay. A don't care condition is a combination of variable whose logical value is not specified. For example, if in your questions they are giving the don't care condition. Okay. Don't care values also they are giving. So you have to take the don't care values as X. Okay. If you are in this grouping, for example, here, see, this is don't care. So taken as this X. Okay. And this is also don't care. So taken as X. Okay. See, if you want, you have to change this as 1. Otherwise, you have to change this as 0. So, for this, how to group? This is pair grouping. Okay. If this is 1 means this and this is 1 means you have to group quad group. right? So you have to take this and this as 1. Okay, so you have to group the quad group. Okay, here also this is 4 group, no problem. Here this is 2 grouping. Okay, that is no needed. Okay, 0, so you have to consider this as 0. Okay, for this example, okay, so this don't count midterm, we either taken as ones are taken as zeros. Okay, for what is the values? First one, first this quad group, what are the values? W bar, Z bar, W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay, next one, W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z. W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z. Okay, next one, W bar, X bar, Y, Z. W bar, X bar, Y, Z. Okay, next one, W bar, X bar, Y, Z bar. W bar, X bar, Y, Z bar. Okay, now take the values. Any W bar is there? Yes, 4 W bar, so you have to consider only 1 W bar. Then X bar, here X bar, X bar, X bar, X bar, 4 X bar, consider only 1 X bar. Then Y bar, here Y bar, Y bar, Y, Y. 2 Y bar, 2 Y's are there, so you have to cancel all the Y and Y bar. Then Z bar, Z, cancel the Z and Z bar, here also Z and Z bar. So your answer is W bar, X bar. Okay, next, what is the next grouping? W bar, X bar, Y, Z. W bar, X bar, Y, Z. What is the next value? W bar, X, Y, Z. W bar, X, Y, Z. Okay, next, what is the next value? W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. What is the next value? W, X bar, Y, Z. W, X bar, Y, Z. Okay, so W bar, W bar, W, W. 2 W bars and 2 W's are there, so you have to cancel the W and W bar. Then X bar, X bar, X, X, X bar. 2 X bar, 2 X, so cancel the X and X bar. Then Y, 4 Y's are there, so you have to consider only 1 Y. Then Z also 4 Z's are there, so you have to consider only 1 Z. So your answer is YZ plus W bar, X bar. Okay, okay. Next one is, what is the next problem? F of W X Y Z equal to M of 0, 1, 4, 8, 9, 10 plus don't care 2, 11. Okay, so you have to put these values as 1, this value as X. So this is taken as 1 for grouping. This is quad grouping. This is pair grouping. Okay, so your answer is W X bar, X bar, Y bar, W bar, X, W bar, Y bar, Z bar. First grouping. This is a quad grouping. Okay, so what are the value? W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Then what is the next value? W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z. W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z. What about the next value? W X bar, Y bar, Z bar. W X bar, Y bar, Z bar. What about the next value? W X bar, Y bar, Z. W X bar, Y bar, Z. Okay, so consider what are the values? W bar, W cancel, W bar, W cancel. X bar means 4 X bar are there, so you have to consider only 1 X bar. Then Y bar means 4 Y bar, so consider only 1 Y bar. Okay, then Z bar, Z bar, it is cancel. So your answer is W bar, Y bar. Then second, this pairing. Okay, W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. What is the next value? W bar X, Y bar, Z bar. W bar X, Y bar, Z bar. Sorry. W bar X, Y bar Z bar. So W bar. So you have to take one W bar, then X bar X, cancel Y bar, one Y bar, one Z bar. Okay, so your answer is W bar, Y bar, Z bar. Then what is this quadrant? Okay, this quad group. What are the values? W X bar, Y bar, Z bar. W X bar, Y bar, Z bar. What about next? W X bar, Y bar, Z. W X bar, Y bar, Z. Then W X bar, Y Z. W X bar, Y Z. Then W X bar, Y Z bar. W X bar, Y Z bar. Okay. Then W, 4 W's are there. You have to consider only one W. X bar, 4 X bar. So you have to consider only one X bar. Y bar, 4 Y bar. Consider only one Y bar. No. 2 Y's and 2 Y bars are there. So you have to cancel all the Y's and Y. Z also 2 Z bars are there. So you have to cancel the Z. So your answer is W X bar Y, W bar, Y bar, Z bar plus W bar, Y bar. Okay. Have you all understand this don't care condition? Okay. This is the K-map simplification. Have you all understand? Anybody having doubt? So this is very, very simple. Just you have to just simplify the Boolean expression by using this K-map. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students.